Exercise 6. Complete the description of these sentences from exercise 5. In sentences A and space, the relative clause gives us necessary information. In sentences space and space, the relative clause gives us extra information. So let's read the sentences together. A. Today we have a very special guest who's a charity activist from Egypt. Do you remember this question? Now let's check the answers. The answers are A and D, B and C. Exercise 7. The relative clause in these sentences give necessary information. Complete the sentences with who or which. 1 is done for you. Ali is an Egyptian Paralympic powerlifter who has won a bronze medal. So here notice the usage of who because it refers to Amani Ali, and in other words, the powerlifter. 2. A charity activist is someone, space, campaigns for change in the world. 3. Where a charity, space, campaigns for equal opportunities for disabled people. 4. This is the lift, space, can take you up to the 4th floor. 5. Powerlifting is a sport, space, is popular in Egypt. 6. I'm a person, space, wants to make a real difference in the world. I want you to pause this video, study the grammar lesson again, and come back to answer. Okay, let's check the answers. Number 1, who? Number 2, who? Number 3, which? Number 4, which? Number 5, which? Number 6, who? Perfect. If you got any mistakes, please study one more time. Exercise 8. Work in pairs and use defining or non-defining relative clause to write sentences about the people or things in a list. Student A, your school, your best friend, your favorite thing. Student B, your town or city, a celebrity you like, your favorite television program. Put the video and write. Speaking. Exercise 9. Describe the things in your list to your partner without saying what they are. As you listen, try to guess what they are. Let's read the example. This is the person who I like the most. Lesson 3. Before you start, work in pairs. Discuss why you would make complaints to your neighbor, in a shop, in a hotel or a restaurant. Pause the video and try to think. Complaints means you are so annoyed. Speaking. Exercise 3. Work in pairs. Make conversations using the expressions for making complaints and polite responses in the table. Notice here, polite responses, polite ones. 1. Student A, you bought some shoes last week and one shoe already has a hole in it. You go back to the shop to make a complaint. Student B, you work in a shoe shop, a customer makes a complaint. Be polite and decide how you will respond. Remember, be polite. For the second column, Student A, your neighbors are doing some building work and making a lot of noise. Visit them to complain about the noise. Student B, you're doing some building work and making a lot of noise. Your neighbor makes a complaint. Remember to stay calm and to respond quietly. Before you start, work in pairs. Discuss these questions. You can use a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group. What job would you like to do in the future and why? Is there a company you would like to work for and why? With the video, let your imagination fly. Writing. Read this email from a disabled person who's looking for a job. Label the parts of the email with the words or phrases in the box. Let's read the phrases together. Number 1, the close or sign off. 2, what the email is about. 3, the greeting or opening. 4, requests. 5, the reason you're writing. Now let's move to the email. From Christine Harrison at mail.com to info@chrisbins.com. Subject, questions about disabled access at your company. Dear sir or madam, comma, notice here. This is number 3, which is the greeting or opening. First paragraph. I'm writing because I would like to apply for a job at your company. However, I have disability and I need to use a wheelchair. Second paragraph. Could you tell me if your company is suitable for disabled employees? Do you have ramps or lifts? Do your staff receive training on how to support disabled colleagues? Third one. If your company would be suitable for a disabled person like me, I will apply for a job in the sales department, which I am qualified for. I look forward to hearing from you. Kind regards, Christine Harrison. Take the time to think of each paragraph or line and try to match these phrases that describe each part. Now check the answers with me. Number 3, dear sir or madam, which is the greeting or opening, is done for you. First paragraph, I'm writing because I would like to apply for a job at your company. However, I have a disability and I need to use a wheelchair. This is number 2, what the email is about. Second paragraph, could you tell me if your company is suitable for disabled employees? Do you have ramps and lifts? Do your staff receive training in how to support disabled colleagues? Yes, the answer is number 5, the reason you're writing. Next one. If your company would be suitable for a disabled person like me, I will apply for a job in the sales department, which I am qualified for. Yeah, it's number 4, requests. This line, I look forward to hearing from you, is number 1, excellent, the close or sign off. I need you to notice here some points. This email starts with from, to, and the subject. From the sender to the receiver and the subject. And notice here, I look forward to hearing from you means I expect to hear from you. And I look forward to is followed always by verb ing, like hearing. Kind regards, followed by a comma, like dear sir or madam. I hope this email is clear now. Exercise 2. Read the email again. Take the phrases from the box below that are in the email. Professional emails. Dear sir or madam, I'm writing because I'm writing to plus verb. I would like to know. Could you tell me? I look forward to hearing from you. Kind regards. Pause the video, go back to the text, and take the phrases that are mentioned. Let's check the answers. These phrases are mentioned in the text in the email. Dear sir or madam, I'm writing because. Could you tell me? I look forward to hearing from you. Kind regards. Perfect. Exercise 3. Imagine that you have a disability and that you would like to apply for a job. Make notes in the table below to help you plan a professional email. Write a blueprint of the email. Let your imagination go wild and think that you might be a disabled person. 1. What's your disability? 2. What do you want to know about the company? 3. What will you do if the company is suitable for you? Pause the video and try to think and write. Lesson 6. Vocabulary. Exercise 1. Match the words in the definitions. A. Agreement. B. Arrest. C. Malaria. D. Negotiate. E. Nod. F. Promise. 1. A movement of your head that gives someone a sign. Yes. Nod. E. 2. A serious illness that comes from mosquitoes. 3. Say you will certainly do something. 4. Discuss a situation to find a good result for everyone. 5. The police take someone away for doing something bad. 6. A decision made by 2 or more people. Pause the video. Try to answer. Check your dictionary. Answers are 1E, 2C, 3F, 4D, 5B, 6A. Great! Teacher Marwa Shazdi was with you. I would like to thank you for the time to study with me.